Guys, I just wanted to run through the new Parrot head for the T500. I know many of you like to see what the alcohol is that's actually coming through on your T500. So we've got this Parrot head which has been made for us, and it will collect the alcohol. So the alcohol tube which is coming out the T500 will go into here, and this will then drip into this column. As it drips into the column, we'll obviously start to collect the distillate, which should be 92–94%. So we've got a spirit hydrometer, which will just slot into this centre chamber and will drop down, and we can then measure the alcohol strength. So that's obviously below the level. Once we get the strength, obviously the hydrometer will come up and will actually register a recording of the actual alcoholic strength. We've also got the outlet pipe here, which is just set at quite a nice height so that we can get a demijohn underneath it to actually collect the finished alcohol. Now, bearing in mind it is quite flimsy, so you may want to have some method of actually securing this to your work surface so it actually works for you better. But these $39.95, they're all made out of copper. They come with a nice stand with them, and it's just a lovely addition for those people who are wanting to see what the alcohol is like when it comes through on the T500. We've got a similar one which we're doing for the air still, but this is the one for the T500. It's much taller than the one that we've got in the air still. So thanks, guys.